Hi there, it's Michael Ackerman coming to you from Seattle, Washington, where I do sell real estate with Coldwell Banker Bain. Today's video blog is a tip I learned a couple years ago from a client that was actually listing his home, and I thought it was a really great idea, so I always recommend it now to clients that are preparing their home for market. And even if you're not putting your home on the market, it's something that you can do to make your house kind of pop and smell really good. What you want to do is, when the lights are off, you do not want to do this on a hot light bulb, but turn off the lights, keep them off for a while. When the light bulb is cool, you want to spray the light bulb with a room freshener. Pick some flavor that you really like, spray the bulb, let it dry, put it back in the socket. When you turn the light on and the bulb warms up, the smell from the scent from the spray will actually move out into the room very gently. It gives the room a really great smell. It doesn't overpower the room, which is wonderful. This is a really great thing to do if you're putting your home on the market. It'll make the home smell really fresh. The old adage of you should bake cookies or a pie or a cake to make your house smell really good before an open house. This will work even better. So make sure it's a scent that you like. Make sure it's a scent that fits and is appropriate for the home. But the smell will last about a month. You have to do this about every month. Remember though, the light bulb needs to be cool before you spray it. Do not do it on a hot light bulb because the light bulb could burst. This is a great tip on making your house smell really fresh and more emotionally appealing to people, especially if it's on the market. If you have any other questions about real estate in general, please feel free to email me at michaelackerman@cbbain.com. And do remember, it's all about the connection.